So this is how to add the price of a product on whop. All you have to do is click on your like shop you created here, and on the left side you can see getting started dashboard, edit store, products, add apps, and so on. All you have to do is now go under products here. Then you can see I have two products here as of right now, and all you have to do is go here and archive it. You cannot like go in here and edit the price. It's just not possible to edit price right now. You can see here you can't edit the subscription price after initial creation. Please create a new pricing option. So all you have to do is then to create a price option, and to say paid one, you choose whatever you want. Subscription, you continue, let's say $9 a month. Without free trial, continue. Visible public, and then continue, and you then successfully created a product. Like you can see, done. And this is how you make a new product that you have, of course, to optimize, but there is no current way to change like the price within the product using whop. So you have to create a new product, and that's basically how it works on whop. Sadly, it is the case. I don't know why, but it's not changeable. So I hope this was helpful. If so, leave the like and see you in the next video.